Hit it.
Okay. Trey Songz, I Need a Girl. You know who this for. I ain't gotta say no names.
Okay.
JP recording. No one's on Orlando.
8-0.
Yeah, though. This how the beat drop. You make my heart stop. Especially when you in the club, make your body rock. Just trying to find a way I can end up on top. So let's head outside, we gon' take the drop top. My crib's in the sky, so we got a sky rock. We high on this vibe and we ain't making no stops. I know you built to last, so climb up on this rock. I'm 6 feet deep, trying to get you to the top. The beat's picking up, but ooh, don't rush me. Let you ride the pony, I can tell you wanna crush me. Go to church every Sunday, now you wanna curse me. So let's take a break, I can tell that you thirsty.
Yeah.
Okay, I ain't got no hope for this, but I can still kick it cause I'm so with it. Ha, let me stop playing. Round 2 about to come up, I'm about to show out. Kick it for Nia, you know what it's about. So now it's round 2, what you wanna do? Take you up to the bedroom, I'm about to hurt you. Got the Trey beat, so I'm about to serve you. Now sing the song louder so girl they can hear ya. In between you like a thong, yeah, I can feel ya. The name's Jake Lowe. It was nice to meet ya, the beat's getting over. And it was nice to please ya, I'm looking for a girl. And I think I see ya. I know I'm kinda young, but hit me up on the beat. But it won't take me long to get up in between ya. Put it down slow, cause you know your boy's asleep. But Selena, stop playing, you know that I need you. Okay.
I'm strong, nigga. Gucci. To ride with you, man, this drop like this.
Then pass by,
Yeah.
got your grandma looking, and your sister and your mama. All the hoes love me, cause the name Ron Williams. Coming through your hood or coming through your TV. Cause I rap like Gucci, I got that mean flow. I roll with Zos, yo, that's where I go. Heading back to Haiti on the sugar boat, rolling 30 deep. Nigga, that's how I roll, cause we all got machetes. Got in a boat.
This shit is raw, man. This man's too deep for this job, bro. Oh shit. Oh, sugar boat, nigga. Alright, now I'm going back in that sugar boat. Yeah. Come on now. Come on. Get it down 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 now. It dressed up.
I got to do it to get him recording.
No. Wait, tell him, bro.
Oh, shit. Stop it.
Stop! Here we come.
Yeah. You out of that. Stop dressed out.
I'm sorry. You know I love you.
Uh-huh.
Hey. Hey there. Hey there.
God, your socks is black.
You know what? Your face is black, okay?
Of course.
What you looking at?
You.
There's no Zos allowed. Can't you read the sign?
Dang. They tell me earlier.